Welcome to this session. In this session I am going to explain how the breadboard functionality is. So this is how a breadboard looks like. I am going to tell you or teach you how to connect the components given to perform a circuit in terms of input by giving an input and obtaining an output. So this is how a breadboard looks like. It varies based on the manufacturers. Okay, fine. This is a breadboard connectivity where you could find in terms of multiples of 5 they have divided. So here from A to E there is representation, and from F to J there is another representation. I could say simply by using a scrap where I have given this is a scrap breadboard. I'm going to turn it upside down. You could easily identify how to connect in terms of connectivity. So he could see here vertically the central parts are having same nodes. So if you are having to connect at a single node point, you could connect in this junction or in this point, means you could take another point from the very next hole. So vertically this is having same potential, and here horizontally it is having same potential, but it is divided in terms of half, that is cleft is there. So this is having same potential, whereas this is having another potential, right? So all these 5s, so it is, as I said, it is divided in terms of 5. So here also you could see here this is having a cleft here. You could see there is a gap. Very clear? This is having a gap here. Yes, you could see there is a gap here. Yes, there is a gap here. So for this for this line it is having same potential, whereas this line is having same potential. Whereas here these 5s, so there are some potentials shown like this. So this is how the potential connectivity here is. So simply to understand the concept, this is having same potential and these are having same potential. In next class I will show you with a simple circuit and components how to connect a diagram based on the circuit shown. Thank you.